Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'm sharing with you on how to move your face in Roblox. Now, the first thing you have to know is that if your Roblox is not upgraded, you will not be able to have this feature, and you can easily upgrade your Roblox from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. To move your face in Roblox simply means to be able to have access and use the camera in your Roblox. Now, the first thing you have to do is to log into your Roblox. Click at the three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Content Restriction. So from here, click on Communication. Click on Camera Input. So right here, you have to turn the camera close to camera input on. Turn the toggle close to camera input on. So when it's being turned on, it's going to allow you to use your camera to animate avatar with your movements. Your video will not be shared with Roblox or other users if this toggle is not turned on. Camera is not available on certain devices, so if your phone is old version, you might not see this feature. That is what it means. So the green dots indicate that this Roblox is using your camera. So guys, that is it on how to move your face in Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.